This is old. This is like algebra 1 old.
Wait, it's all graph. No.
All graphs all the time.
No.
Okay. How do we graph y is greater than or equal to x?
Wait. It's like a shaded.
Yeah, shading. So if it's just a y and an x, this is in slope-intercept form. What's the slope? 1. What's the y-intercept? 0. So we start at 0, and then we go rise 1, run 1. You guys remembering this?
Yes.
Oh, it's the first question.
Yeah, algebra 2 is doing. Algebra 1 also does this. Not yet. But is the line solid or dashed? Solid, because there's an equal to symbol under this, which means the line is part of the solution. Are we shading above or below? Above, because this is y is greater than, so we're going above. Okay, what does all this coloring mean? What are we?
These are all answers.
Exactly, good job. These are all solutions. If I choose a random point in here, like -1, 3, and I plug it in, -1, 3, it will be true. The reason the line is solid is because the points on the line also make it true. Like if I plug in 1, 1. Is 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, it's equal to. So. Anyway, yeah, all this shaded stuff is the answer. The answers. Number 3. My voice is messed up today. Too much junk in my throat.
Oh, it's already getting numbers.
Is that scary?
Yes.
Okay, what do we do first? Right, we want to change it to slope-intercept form. We want to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract the 3x over to the right. Then I'm going to divide the 4. Every term needs to be divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. Go, stupid, go.
Hey, Donald Trump loves us.
No, I don't bring water anymore.
He blesses us every day.
Donald Trump is not our God.
No. That's not what it is.
Please say this, Donald Trump. That's what you always say.
He needs to say Donald Trump is going to lose.
He's getting there.
Kamala.
Kamala. Okay, where are we going to start this one at?
Up 3.
Up 3. Where are we going to go? Down 3, right 4. Yeah, so if the slope is -3/4, either the top could be negative, like rise -3, run 4, or the bottom could be negative, rise +3, run -4, so you go backwards. Is the line solid or dashed? Dashed because there's no
Equal to.
equal to. Did I count wrong? 1, 2, oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, are we shading above or below? Below. Less than. Okay, when I said it was as hard as yesterday's, I was thinking about tomorrow, the next assignment.
Why are you telling us? This is not good.
Well, you guys figured out the last assignment though, so
I thought you said this was a 2-day assignment.
yeah. Good.
So
You have to say-
so Thursday's assignment?
Yeah.
Thursday
Just
also
making sure.
today?
Yeah, there's a lot of these in that class.
So what?
Can it be like a 1 through 2?
You're stressing the details.
Gabe?
Not bad.
No,
Stop that.
the red line.
Bro has PTSD.
Yeah, the red line. Like I think about doing.
Okay, actually this, I don't know, we maybe did a little of this last year, but it's not. I can't remember. How do I graph y equals x squared? Okay, do you guys remember negative b over 2a, right? This applies to quadratic equations. What's the b value? 0. Okay, so basically what I had you guys do was like this. It's just a parabola, right? Y equals x squared. So if I plug in 0, what do I get?
Just my shading technique.
0. If I plug in 1, what do I get? 1. If I plug in 2, okay. So 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. And then what did we do?
Like transfer stuff.
Yeah, reflect it over on the other side. Mirror image. Is it solid or dashed?
It's dashed.
Dashed.
In the books.
Oh, did I write it wrong? Solid, I said.
Ooh.
No,
Grades are wrong.
I wasn't.
Come on, dude.
I can't see my books. It's like a priest.
Stop the cap.
Okay, are we shading above or below?
Bend it up.
Below. Why is less than? So below on a parabola would be like this. Outside the bowl. I wish I had a really thick, like, brush that I could paint with. I don't think there is one. What's this do?
Like it's the middle button. And you
Jack
push that.
squat.
What?
If I do this for like an hour.
It's very cool.
Purple and yellow make brown, apparently.
That's our school colors, Shelby. You should be saying that.
It's not.
I don't think brown is our school color.
But like, it used to be yellow and purple.
It used to be gold, yeah, gold and purple.
Oh,
Oh, I can cheat. I forgot about that.
but then you're filling in the wrong spot.
Can I just erase this? No.
Come on, Mr. Jordan.
Janky. Alright.
This is what we get for cheating. Oh,
Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. No.
Eli,
I learned it
have you ever
from
thought about being handsome?
myself. I mean,
Cheers,
it
we're
was-
in this first.
Thought about being handsome.
I learned it
Being
from Mrs. Gillette.
handsome. It just comes naturally to you. That's a powerful quote,
I
Eli.
strongly disagree.
Okay, yeah.
What are we getting to?
Let's go to
9 to 12?
yeah. 7 and 8 probably took the longest out of all these actually. Oh, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's another quadratic. So how it's gonna be another parabola. How do we find the vertex? Negative b over 2a. Kind of like the front of the quadratic formula. So negative b, negative negative 4 over 2a. 2 times 2. In this case, that would be 1. Okay, that is the x-coordinate of the vertex. So how do I find the y-coordinate that goes with it? Plug it in. So that would be 2 minus 4 plus 1 is negative 1. If I plug in 2, I get 1, and if I plug in 3, 18 minus 12, 6 plus 1, 7. Ooh, that's tall. So you might want to put your x-axis down here. Don't you guys wish you were doing this on a smart board?
Yes.
1, negative 1, 2, 1, 3, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait, did I get 3 right? Let me check again. 9 times 2 is 18 minus 12 is 6, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Come on, guys.
Mirror image. Lines solid or dashed?
It's very dashed.
Very, very dashed.
Dashing. Like the snow guy. That's like Rudolph.
Are we shading above or below?
Or
Is that how you say below in Australian?
maybe.
Issa would know.
Is she Australian? I thought she was like from that one
No,
place.
she's Australian.
No, I'm not. Shut up, I hate you.
Oh,
I thought she was German.
Guess what she called me?
That's what I was thinking.
such
In
rudeness.
English class.
Can't
Come
believe
on,
you would
bro.
do that, Issa.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially a poor little innocent angel of hope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who calls us biggies all the time?
What's a biggie, guys? I mean,
You.
It's not the rat from Barnyard.
You just call me whale.
It is Biggie Cheese. Is that the reference? Like the guy from Barnyard? No.
What?
Do you know Barnyard?
No. The size crazy.
That's so dumb.
Okay.
I agree, Grant. She is so dumb.
And you're so fat.
Alright.
You miss me.
Mrs. Mary.
And then the way Mrs. Mayor's like mouthed her rock. She's
You
like,
Yeah.
said that in her class.
yeah.
Yeah, she was like,
Oh.
or Issa.
Yeah.
Issa.
Yeah,
Issa.
I think she's probably really mature class.
Yeah, and she was like, I don't want, and then she just meant the name
Yeah.
of her kid, but she said, I don't want.
I want
Jesse.
Jesse.
I
was
want
on
Jesse.
Jesse.
Want Jesse. Or she
And-
I didn't
and I was
just
like, she works with kids. Me. Being the.
I work with kids.
We all work with kids. That's our daily life.
Grant just.
Yeah, the children like you,
Didn't
Grant.
some of it.
Oh,
No-
I should've-
No children like me. I like
She
children.
loved
Who said
Yeah,
that,
you're
bro?
a child. Grant, that's on video.
Literally
This will be used in the court case.
Grant's cooked.
That's crazy.
Grant's only way to salvation is
Ow.
through-
What?
Hey, how do
you use two hands?
You're trying to hit emo to get out of
Is this the
Oh
one
no, I said
with
the Moses
the
pose.
2 lines that like convert
Moses.
Part of the Red Sea.
Kind of hurts.
Good job, bro.
I don't know what you mean.
Nah, that guy's.
Okay.
He went like.
So,
Oh, God.
before we do the normal graph, let's talk about it on a number graph. What does this look like on a number line?
It's 0 to 2.
Great.
0 to 2. So it's like closed circle, and it's a line between. Okay, that's what it looks like on a number line graph. What does it look like on an XY graph?
Maybe the same thing.
What does x equal 2 look like on this graph? Vertical line. This vertical line has all the x values of 2,
So it's like a column.
right? And x equals 0, well, x equals 0 is the y-axis, basically. It's a vertical line on the y-axis. And if we want the x values between those two, it would be all these.
That's nice. And it goes like the opposite way. and then-
So it's the same as this, but in 2D form instead of like one-dimensional form. Does that make sense?
Yes.
what other weird ones do they got? Number 10 is, okay, on 10 it's y equals -1 and 3. What's y equal 3 look like? Yeah, horizontal. So it'll kind of be the horizontal version of number 9. Okay. Number 11, this is where it gets really weird. Weird, wacky, wild. We talked about this on Thursday's assignment. How do you set up an absolute value greater than problem? You guys remember that assignment?
The y is greater than 1 or
Yeah, like that. So we have to graph that.
We got this
Okay, what's y equal 1 look like?
horizontal.
Yeah, if it was y equals 1, it would be a horizontal line through 1 on the y-axis, like this. Since it's greater than 1, this will be a dotted line. And we're going to shade above. Oop, oop. And what's y equals -1 look like? Horizontal line through -1, and we're going less than on that one, so it's shaded below. Alright, you want to pause there or do one more? I thought she'd want to forge on.